Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be looking at a delayed payment and a final payment in this particular question, which appeared in the February-March 2018 examination 1. It says on the 1st of February 2018, Genevieve took a loan of 82,000 rands from a bank to pay for her studies. She will make her first payment of 3,200 rands on the 1st of February 2019 and continue to make payments of 3,200 rand on the 1st of each month thereafter until she settles the loan. The bank charges interest at 15% per annum compounded monthly. Calculate how much Genevieve will owe the bank on the 1st of January 2019. Now, if we look here, she took the loan on the 1st of February 2018 with a present value annuity or any loan that you take out. Your first payment is due 1 month after you take out the loan. Now, she is going to only make her first payment on the 1st of February 2019. Therefore, if you have to look at this timeline in 7.2.1, she's taken out the loan on the 1st of February, and that's 2018, and she's going to make her first payment on the 1st of February 2019. So remember that the first payment is due 1 month later, 2018, to the 1st of February 2019. If you have to count the number of months, it will be 12 months. So you just take the number of months and subtract 1, and that's how many months she will actually owe the bank interest for. So therefore, she is now delayed her payment by 11 months. So how do we answer this particular question? Calculate how much Genevieve will owe the bank on the 1st of January 2019. So we have to use the compound interest formula, which is A equals to P into 1 plus I to the power N. And remember now, N will be 11. So she takes a loan of 82,000. So 82,000, remember, is the loan amount, which is the present value. 82,000, 1 plus, and the interest is 15% per annum compounded monthly. So 15% per annum compounded monthly is 0.1. 5 over 12, and N will be 11 because she's now delayed a payment by 11 months. Okay, remember N is equal to 11. So therefore, we put this in the calculator, 82,000 to 1 plus 0.15 over 12, the 11. So that means on the 1st of January, she owes the bank 94,000 and 6 rands 79 cents. So that's how much she owes the bank on the 1st of January 2019. How many installments of 3,200 rand must she pay? So how many installments mean that we're going to be calculating the N value in our present value formula. So let's look at that. So 7.2.2. Firstly, let's write down our present value formula, x into 1 minus 1 plus I to the minus n I. So the present value will be the loan amount, which is 94,006 rand and 79 cents. So let's write that down, 94,006 rand and 79 cents. It's 2. So we're going to find out how many installments of 3,200 rand she's going to make. Minus 1 plus the interest rate is 15% per annum compounded monthly, and remember that we're going to be solving for N. Number of installments, 0.1. 5 over 12 to complete our equation. Now, so we've substituted into the formula, and what's left for us to do now is solve for N. So let's do that. Now in solving for N, remember once again, we're going to cross multiply and we're going to make n as the subject of our equation. So let's see if we can do that. So here we got 94,006 rand and 79 cents times 0.1. 5 over 12. Now we're going to divide it by this 3,200 here. So 3,200, and you see this 1, we're going to bring it over to this side. It's going to become minus 1 equals 2. So we're left with, on the right hand side, minus into 1 plus 0.1. 5 over 12 to the minus n. So if you look at it once again, we said 94,006 rand 79 cents times 0.15 12, and now we're going to divide it by this 3,200, and you're going to bring this positive 1 to the left hand side. It becomes negative. Okay, so now we're just going to use our calculator and simplify. So let's have a look at that. So here we got, that will be 94,006 rand and 79 cents times 0.15 over 12, and we're going to divide that by 3,200 rands, and we're subtracting 1 from that, equals 2. Now we cannot round off at this stage, so we have to write out this whole value, which is minus 0.632 minus 0.632, 7859, 7859, that's 632, 7859, 766, 766 equals 2. Let's do the other side. So here we got 1 plus 0.15 all over 12. That's 81 over 80, which we can leave it like that. But let's just write it as 1.0125. 1.0125. So don't forget now that we have a negative on both sides of our equation. And if we have a negative on both sides of our equation, if we divide or multiply by negative 1, these two negative signs would now disappear. Right, so both sides now becomes positive. Oh, let's not forget the minus n at the top. So therefore, minus n equals to log, that's your base, which is 1.0125 to 0.6327859,766. Now remember, n, we're making n the subject of the equation, therefore we need to use logarithms. Remember that if you have x equals to b to the n, then n is going to equals to log of x with base. Alright, so that's important for you to know how we make n the subject of the equation by simply using logs. Okay, so let's get rid of this. So now let's do our calculation. So therefore, if we now put that in the calculator, we're going to end up with log 1.0125, and on this side we have 0.63276327859859859 766. And let's see what we get. So that's minus 36.838. So minus n equals to minus 36.838 17967. 17967. Now let's go look at the question one more time. What do they ask us for? They say, how many installments of 3,200 rand must she pay? So to answer that particular question, it would be N equals to 36. So therefore, she will make 36 installments. Of 3,200 rands. Now, if they had asked us how many installments would it take for her to finish this loan, it would be 37 installments. Alright, so the 37th installment would actually be the final payment, which actually now brings us to the next question. So the next question says, calculate the final payment to the nearest rand Genevieve has to pay to settle the loan. So therefore, in order for us to find the final payment, to calculate the final payment, which is 7.2.3, so for 7.2.3, remember now, for the final payment, what we have to do is we have to calculate the outstanding balance on the loan, which is outstanding balance equals to A minus FV, and that will be for N equals to 36. So that will be for 36 completed payments of 3,200 rand. And thereafter, we will be able to calculate the final payment. So therefore, let's find A. Once again, remember, to find the final payment, we now have to look at how many completed installments did she make. She's made 36 completed installments of 3,600 rand, and her final payment will be the 37th installment. So this now is P into 1 plus I to the N. So that's the compound interest formula. P is the loan amount. So the loan amount is 94,000 is there and 6 rand and 79 cents. So the loan amount is 94,006 rand and 79 cents plus the interest rate is 15% per annum. There we go, 15% per annum compounded monthly. So that will be 0.15 over 12, and number of completed payments. N is 36. Let's have a look at that. Let's put this in our calculator. So we got 94,006 rand and 79 cents into 1 plus 0.15 over 12. That's 36. So here we have 147,021 rands, and we're not going to round off now. So we're going to write 3381 as our decimal. So that's 147,021 rands. 3381. So that's our A value. Now let's find the future value. FV, we're going to put in 3,200 rands into 1 plus the interest is 15% per annum compounded monthly, and the number of completed payments is 36 minus 1. To complete the formula, 0.15 over 12. Now let's calculate that. So we got 3,200 rands into 1 plus 0.15 over 12. Number of completed payments, minus 1 there. And to complete our formula, that's 0.15 all over 12. So that's equal to 144,369 rands And we're not going to round off now, so we're going to write 6176. 6176. 6176. Therefore, the outstanding balance on the loan is A minus FV, which would be our final payment. So therefore, we substitute. Let's now put that in our calculator. So our A value is, let's go back here. There you go. Right, so that will be 147,021 rands, 0.3381 minus 144,369 rands, 0.6176. That's equal to 2,651 rands. Let's write that down. 2,651 rands, and we got 7205. 7205. This is the outstanding balance on the loan after the 36th payment. Therefore, to calculate the final payment, we have to add 1 month's interest. So the final payment now is going to be equals to A equals to P into 1 plus I to the N. And we're going to add the interest for 1 month. So it's going to be 2,651 rands. 7205. 1 plus. Remember that the interest rate is 15% per annum, compounded monthly and for 1 month. So now we'll be able to calculate the final payment. Whatever amount we get here now will be the final payment. So we just press answer, and that will be 1 plus 0.5 over 12 for 1 month. And that will be 2,684 rands and 87 cents. 2,684 rand and 87 cents. Therefore, to the nearest rand, so to the nearest rand equals to 2,685. So that will be the final payment to the nearest rand. And as if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe to JL Maths. Also check out all the videos on jlmaths.com, and I'll catch you